Hello everyone! Ayan guys, Mel's Cuisine is back. Magluluto ulit tayo. At ayan, ang aking mga ingredients. Iniisip ko kung anong lulutuin ko nito. But mayroon akong wonton na ginawa homemade yan. Ang filling niya ay chicken. At ayan guys, mayroon akong garlic, green onions, at patula. So, I think ang gagawin ko dito is wonton soup because I have my miswa. Napakasarap na humigop ng sabaw sa ngayong panahon, medyo malamig. Ayan guys, so let's start cooking. Look at that, it's so yummy, very fresh. We need nutritious food. And then, yeah, we need to enjoy. Now we will start cooking. Come and join with us. So now we have to start with oil. And then now we can fry the onion quickly. Of course, that is my white onion. And then I have the green onion, but first we will fry the garlic. Then we can mix, halo-halo lang para hanggang sa mag-brown. Kasi pag mag-brown na yung onion, the smell is very good. The aroma, it gives more flavor to our cooking. Yummy, yummy. Huh? I felt like sarap-sarap. Ayan, next is the onion, green onion. And then haluin din natin hanggang sa maluto, hanggang sa mag-brown din. Little by little, medyo hinaan natin yung ating apoy. Now we can add our wonton. So, ilagay natin ng pieces to pieces lang kasi nagdidikit na. Then, look at that guys. It's very delicious because that is chicken and there is no preservative. So we have to enjoy this kind of food. It's very fresh. We always need to have a fresh food. So that's why when I do my cooking, I will not cook a lot, just. And guys, so it's already brown. Hinalo-halo lang natin. And then we can add with hot water. Mas maganda na hot water ang i-add natin para continuous ang kanyang temperature. Paglagay mo ng hot water, ayan, kumukulo na at hindi na maglamig. So, always, kung ako ang magluto, I always add with hot water. Of course, I will add more water kasi soup ito guys, wonton soup. So, I need more water kasi pag nilagyan ko yan ng miswa, baka mawala ng tubig. Of course, dinagdagan ko siya ng salt and pepper in case na kulang ang aking mga kulang ang taste. So, kailangan dagdagan natin ng salt and pepper. And then later on, we will check if how was the taste. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, i-boil muna natin yan with a little bit low of flame para hindi madaling masira ang ating wonton. Kasi pag bumuka yung ating wonton, pag malakas ang apoy, bubuka ang wonton. Ayan, so luto na siya, almost ready. At ngayon ay slowly lang, enjoy lang natin ang ating pagluluto. Normally, ang pagluluto is not in a hurry. It's always slowly para ang flavor niya, ang taste niya ay lalabas. Now, we can add the patula. Ayan, lutuin natin ng maigi guys ang patula. Kasi mas masarap pagluto. Para sa akin, ganun ako magluto ng patula. At ayan, mayroon akong kaunting bacon, yung natira namin kanina sa breakfast. So, naisipan kong idagdag dyan kasi ang flavor ng bacon is a bit salty. So, that is additional flavor sa ating soup. So, i-boil muna natin yan, yung ating patula hanggang sa maluto. Lagyan ko tuloy-tuloy lang ang paghalo-halo natin. Napaka simple na cooking. Simple ingredients. Very simple. And guys, tuloy-tuloy lang. Ayan. Binabaliktad ko para yung iba ay maanuhan ng tubig. Okay. So ngayon, hintayin natin na maluto. Ayan. And then, lalagyan ko pa yan ng takip hanggang sa maluto. Ayan guys, hintayin na lang natin na maluto. Ayan, so ready na siya. Look at that. It's so yummy. Very soft. Both wonton and patula. Ayan guys. You see, masarap yan pag nilagyan mo ng kanin. Pero para sa akin, kanin is not necessary. So, ilalagay na natin ang ating miswa. Of course, i-separate natin kasi para hindi magdikit-dikit. Ayan, huwag lang masyadong maraming miswa kasi baka matuyuan kasi ang miswa ay humihigop ng tubig. So, kailangan estimated natin ang ating miswang ilagay kasi yung tubig natin ay mauubos. Ayan. So, tuloy-tuloy lang. Hinintuan ko muna but ngayon idagdag ko kasi I think it is more than enough naman yung tubig niya. Ayan. Ang aking nilagay lang dyan guys ay salt and pepper and chicken cube. Kasi mamaya kung sino ang gustong magdagdag ng flavor like dagdagan nila ng fish sauce or soy sauce, nasa kanila na yon. Pero sa akin, very simple lang and it's very tasty. Kasi pag nilagyan ko yan ng fish sauce, baka mag-iba ang lasa. So now nilagay ko na yung final natin na vegetables, yung green onion. Napakaganda kasi may green. Diba? Tingnan ninyo. Ayoko kasi yung niloloto ko na walang kulay. Gusto ko may kulay. Iba't ibang kulay. Parang Christmas tree baga. Yun ang gusto ko. Nag-enjoy ako dyan. Ngayon, titikman natin ang kanyang flavor. Kompleto na ba sa asin, sa spices? I'm sure. At napakasarap. Napakasarap ng pagtikim ko. Ayan, dinagdagan ko lang ng kaunting asin. But still, nasa moderate lang. Moderate lang ang kanyang asin. So, kung sino ang gusto sa amin na very strong sa asin, so pwede nila dagdagan ng asin or iba't ibang spices. Ayan na guys. Almost ready na yan. Waiting for the customers. And then, for me, I only like that. The simple one. So, it's about time to add also the bacon. Bacon is also a little bit salty. So, I think it is an additional flavor sa ating wonton soup. Ayan guys, ready na yan. So, let's go. And we can go for mukbang. Enjoy the taste, the nutritious, and the flavor is very sweet. So, this is my finished product already. Look at that. A lot of wonton. But that is homemade and I love always homemade. Very fresh and I know what I am cooking.